Hello everyone, I am Roshan Karel. I will be teaching you about electronic calculators. Let's start with the definition. The calculators operating with the help of electricity and has internal logic system is known as electronic calculators. Here is the list of electronic calculators: ENIAC, electronic numeric integrator and calculator; EDSAC, full form is electronic delay storage automatic calculator; UNIVAC, universal automatic computer; and EDVAC or EDVAC, electronic discrete variable automatic computer. We will discuss each and every one in detail. Let's start with ENIAC. It was developed by John Presper Eckert and John William Muesli in 1946 AD. This is how a ENIAC look like. Let's discuss the properties of ENIAC. ENIAC is first electronic computer and the first multi-purpose electronic computer. Though it was very hard to program, ENIAC could do more than one task. It was primarily used to computer aircraft courses, cell trajectories, and to break codes during World War II. It was made up of 17,468 vacuum tubes, 70,000 resistors, 10,000 capacitors, 1500 relay, and 6,000 manual switches. Resistors, capacitors, vacuum tubes, relay, and manual switches are the components of ENIAC. It used a decimal number system instead of a binary number system. It used number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let's discuss next one. It is EDSAC, developed by John von Neumann in 1949 AD. This is the picture of EDSAC. Let's see the properties of EDSAC. EDSAC is an early British computer considered to be the first stored program electronic computer. In this computer, the program were stored. It could add two numbers in 1500 microseconds and multiply them in 4000 microseconds. Means up to this time the computer had increased the calculating speed. In this device 3000 vacuum tubes were used. The number of vacuum tubes were decreased in EDSAC, so it was smaller than ENIAC. Lastly, it uses the stored program concept for the first time and also uses the binary number. As you know, Neumann was the person to introduce binary number system, so his invention used binary number system for the first time. It used to store the program. Next one is ENIAC. It was developed by John Presper Eckert and John William Muesli, the inventors who also invented ENIAC. This is a UNIVAC. Let's see the properties. The UNIVAC was the first commercial computer produced in the United States. This computer was the commercial computer. It was produced in multiple numbers and was sold around the United States. It was the first commercial general purpose digital computer. Let's break the words. First, commercial means it was available for buying and selling. General purpose, not only for the scientific research, it could be used for the general purposes also. Digital means that displayed the output in screen. The use of this computer started from 1951 AD to 1970 AD. This device was 50 feet long and 25 feet wide. It was able to store 12,000 letters only, but the drawback was this device could store only 12,000 letters. Magnetic tapes were used as the input and storage. This computer was instructed by magnetic tape, and the magnetic tape also served as the storage. ADVAC, this was developed by John William Moseley and John Presper Eckert. Construction of this computer was started from 1944 AD. It was the first computer based on stored program concept. The computer also worked on binary digits and stored program concept. It used 6,000 vacuum tubes and 12,000 diodes and consumed 56 power watt. It was popularly used up to 1961 AD. Thank you.